Centerville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact,
Weather alert. Weather alert.
Service in Sterling, Virginia. Northern
WTOP. A tornado warning now in effect for Fairfax County until 8:45 tonight. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for
over Chantilly or over Centerville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard.
Oh, light.
Tell your Jeffy. For that.
If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle,
American Legion Bridge, McLean, Tyson's Corner, and Wolf Trap around 8:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornado thunderstorm include Dunloring, Bellevue, and West McLean. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself.
Our client enjoyed a significant...
Severe weather warnings for imminent damaging storms may become necessary. Here are some safety rules to keep in mind.
We interrupt this program because of a local weather emergency. Important information will follow.
Highs in the upper 60s. Lows in the upper 40s.
Weather alert. Weather alert.
Forecast for the Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point.
Tweet. We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather.
The cryptocurrency warning for northern Fairfax County until 8:45 tonight. Minutes ago, Doppler radar showed a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado over Chantilly or over Centerville and pushing northeast at 35 miles an hour.
35 miles an hour.
The top prize.
Dangerous without operational area because of a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for northern Fairfax County until 8:45 tonight. Minutes ago, Doppler radar showed a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado over Chantilly.
Around 8:45. Repeating, a tornado warning is in effect for northern Fairfax County and northern Virginia
Until 8:45. Stay close. It will be near the bridge and Tyson's around 8:45. Repeating, a tornado warning is in effect for northern Fairfax County and northern Virginia until 8:45.
You're in Silver Spring. You're in the district. Hopefully you've done some of the preparations. We can talk about this.
The Northern District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County, and central Maryland, northwestern
Weather alert.
Georgia County, and central Maryland, Virginia, northeastern
I got WTOP ready to roll. Tell me who pulls it. All right, let's see who pulls it.
Weather alert. Weather alert. Weather alert. Weather alert.
and a warning for the Northern District of Columbia, southeastern Montgomery County, and central Maryland, northwestern Prince George's County in central Maryland, north central Arlington County in northern Virginia, northeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a
For the local community has never. Montgomery, Prince George's, Arlington, and Fairfax counties.
tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, for those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Arlington around 8:55 p.m. Bethesda, Martin's Additions, American University, Friendship Village, and Georgetown around 9 p.m. Fort Totten and Chevy Chase around 9:05 p.m. Langley Park, Tacoma Park, and Hillendale around 9:10 p.m.
They'll do it after
Hyattsville
traffic.
and Adelphi around 9:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Rivercrest, Little Falls, Brentwood, West McLean, Chevy Chase Village, Catholic University, Langley, North Brentwood, Chilham, and National Zoo. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Started first, but either way, both are keeping the roadway closed on New Hampshire Avenue north of Goldmine right now. We interrupt this program to bring you the latest on a local weather emergency. Important information will follow.
Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the
Come on.
Potomac and Key Bridge.
There we go.
Tonight, southwest winds 15 to 10 knots to 40 knots. Becoming west to 25 knots.
Weather alert. Weather alert.
2 to 3 feet.
Just heard.
With a chance of thunderstorms until midnight.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following areas: northern D.C., southeastern Montgomery County, northwestern Prince George's County, north central Arlington County, and northeastern Fairfax County until 9:15. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was recently spotted.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan
Arlington
operation.
at 8:55, Bethesda, American U,
National Weather
Friendship
Service.
Village in Georgetown around 9, Fort Totten and Chevy Chase at 9:05, Langley Park, Tacoma Park, and Hillendale at 9:10, Hyattsville and Adelphi around 9:15. Repeating tonight, a tornado warning in effect until 9:15.
Fairfax County until
Bethesda, American U, Friendship Village in Georgetown around 9, Fort Totten and Chevy Chase at 9:05, Langley Park, Tacoma Park, and Hillendale at 9:10, Hyattsville and Adelphi around 9:15. Repeating to effect until 9:15. For the Northern District of Columbia, WTOP on the just issued tornado warning. Georges County, North Central Arlington County.
Troy, you nailed it, Dimitri. That's exactly where it is right now.
The time is
was indicated over the McLean area a short time ago. This was the same storm, friends, you might remember.
time is now to take cover in those areas for this tornado warning.
That earlier tornado warning about 45 minutes ago. Now that same cell with an indication of still some
Branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees.
Okay, somebody.
Power outages are
Okay,
possible.
WLVW pulled from
Unsecured light
WTOP. Because I
objects
could
may
hear
become projectiles.
that
Locations
audio.
affected include Arlington. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Montgomery County and central Maryland, central Loudoun County in northern Virginia until 10:30 p.m. At 9:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Purcellville to near Middleburg, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Moving source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by down trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Germantown, Leesburg, Broadlands, Lansdowne, Lowe's Island, Brambleton, Poolsville, Ashburn, Sterling, Countryside, Purcellville, Round Hill, Oatlands, Boyds, Clarksburg, Darnestown, Belmont, Hamilton, Gleedsville, and Filament. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Boyds, Clarksburg, Darnestown, Belmont, Hamilton, Gleedsville, and Filament. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.